So hello guys, welcome back once again in the another video of React Native. So today we will discuss that how we can upgrade React Native version. So this is a very important video because we need to follow all the instructions for upgrade the version. So all instructions we will discuss and implement in this video. So let's start. So first of all we need to go inside the browser and type here React Native. So here the official document of the React Native will be open. So you need to start here. So this official document will be shown on your screen because in this video we want to upgrade the version of the React Native. So first of all we need to check what is the current version of the React Native we are using in this video. So in this video we are using the React Native version 0.73.6. So this is the React Native version and React version is 18.2.0. But the current version at the time of creating this video is the 0.76. So I want to upgrade my version from 0.73 to 76. So actually React Native provides a community support that how we can upgrade the version. So we need to click here community, and here you can see the option needing and providing help. So we need to click here. So this link will be open, and here you can see the upgrade support. So here we have two options, upgrade helper and upgrade support. So we need to click here upgrade helper. So actually upgrade helper is a tool that will show the full set of change happening between any two versions to help you see and what changes you need to do in your code. We need to click here. So this link will be shown on your screen. So React Native upgrade helper. So here you need to select the version. What is your current version? So here you can select any lower version if you are working, but currently we are working on the 0.73.6. So we need to click here and recheck again the version 0.73.6. So actually this is the current version of our React Native and I want to upgrade. So this is actually the latest version. So you can also upgrade any other version, but I want to upgrade the current version. So current version actually 0.76.1. So I will select it and click on the show me button. So when I click here, so all the changes will be shown on your screen. So this is the current version and this is the upgraded version in the green color. We will change all the files is showing here. So all the Android and iOS files will be shown on your screen. So we will follow all the instructions given here. So first of all we go inside the package.json and here we need to change the React version 18.3.1. So we will copy this and we just change here. And here Babel dependency is also need to change here. Actually the Babel is 7.20.0. So we need to change it with the upgraded version. And here Babel preset env we need to also change. So actually underline green colors, so we need to extra lines and we need to add here. So we just copy the 3 lines bottom of the Babel runtime and we need to add inside the project. So we just add here. And the other thing we need to add here Babel preset 0.76.1 ESLint Metro. So all these are the same versions. Type script config, so we need to change all these with the 0.76.1. So actually this is equivalent with the React Native version. and we need to change all these. And few other things we need to change. We need to change here React test renderer. So this is the 18.3.1. So another thing we need to add here Gyaan. So we just copy it and we need to edit. Other thing is the git ignore. So now go inside the git ignore. So this is the git ignore file, and here we just copy this and search here. So this is the iOS, and we need to remove the iOS from here and need to use this line. So this is same, but we are just removing the iOS from here. And another is the Ruby Cocoa Pods, and here we need to change and remove the iOS with double star slash. So here is the blank space, so we need to add this. So this is the Gyaan spot. So this is optional, we can edit if we are using Gyaan or not, but we are implementing all the steps, so we are adding it. So this file is the Gyaan rc.yml file. So this file is the extra file, so we need to add it. So I just copy this file and so this is the path of this file, and we can just check here. So this is at the root level, so we need to add here a file. And here you need to add this code. So actually this is not a root level, it's inside the src, so we just drag and drop here. So now go inside Android manifest file. So actually this is inside the src main. So this is Android manifest.xml. So we just need to change. So we just copy these lines and we need to search here. So this line we need to change. So this line will be replaced with. So this line will also be add, but actually this line will be add with the support RTL. So we just enter here and we just add this line. So no other change we need to add here. So go inside the main application.kt. So now go inside the Java and inside your app and main application.kt. So inside the main, inside Java, so this is the main application.kt, and here we need to replace the flipper. So we need to replace the flipper with these lines: open source merge show mapping. So other thing we need to search here react host, and here we just remove the this from these lines. So this is the this here, so we need to remove this. And another thing we need to use a show loader.init, and we need to just remove the false from here, and we need to add here open source merge show mapping. So we just add here. And another thing, we just search this line and we just remove this line. So now all these changes are modified, and now go inside. So now go inside the drawable. So this path is actually inside src main res, and here is the drawable, and here this is the file. So actually this is the XML file, and here we need to search this line. So this line we need to change here. So we just copy this line and we just add here, and now this will be on the next screen. So we just save this. Another thing, we need to build.gradle. So inside the Android root level, so we go inside the build.gradle. So here we also need to change few things like build tools version. So this is the build tool version, so this we need to change here 35, and minimum SDK version need to change 24. So I am already using 23, so if you are using 21, so you can replace with 24. So compiler SDK version is 35, target SDK version is 34. So this will not be changed. And another thing, NDK version, so we need to change this 25 with 26, and Kotlin version is the 1.9.24. Yeah, so this file is also changed now. And another thing, we need to go inside Android Gradle.properties. So this is the Gradle.property, and here is this line. So we will also remove these two lines. This line is also false, so we need to change with true. And another thing, we need to change Gradle wrapper.properties. So this file is inside the Android, inside Gradle wrapper.properties. So here we need to change the version of the Gradle. So I am using 8.3, so we need to change it with 8.10.2. So another thing, we need to go inside android.gradle.pet. So this is the android.gradle.pet, and here we need to few changes. So we just check the line number 15. So this is the line number 15, and here we need to add this line. Add two lines here at the bottom of this, and line number 46. So this is the line 46, Java exe, and line number 49 to 50, echolocation of, so echolocation. So all these files we just remove from here, and we just add here all these files. And another thing, we check this command, and we also need to replace all these commands with this. So another file is the android setting.gradle. We just save this, and this is the android setting.gradle, and here we just remove this line, We just remove this line, and we need to add these lines at the top of the project name. So this is the root project name, so we need to add at the top all these lines. Yeah, so now save it. And another thing is the port. So few other changes we need to inside port file. So we just go inside the iOS folder, and inside the iOS, so this is the port file, and here is the few changes line. So all these are the commented code if you are using React Flipper. So all these things, and Flipper config, so all these things we just need to remove from here, Flipper config. So just remove it, and inside use React Native, so we just need to remove this. And another thing is this React Native pod install. So we need to add a extra line here. So this line is actually commented, but we need to add here. So we just need to add these two lines. So actually this is the same, make catalyst enable false, and we need to add this comment. So now this file is also changed, so we need to save this. And other thing, we need to go inside this file. So this is actually this is a Xcode project file. So this file actually exists, and we need to use this source here. So few other changes also we need to change here. So go inside your iOS. So inside the iOS Xcode project, so this is the Xcode project. So this file, and here is the project.pbx project file. So we just need to open this file. So this is the project.pbx project file. So this is the iOS Xcode project file. So we need to change this file. So for this we need to search here, just search here. Yeah, so this is here. So we just search again. So we search here last unknown file. So this is a last unknown file source code. So we need to add here, because here is the last unknown file source code c.object. So this is the source code c.objective-c, and here we need to add this. So I just add this. And another thing, we need to search here this line. So inside the children launch screen.storyboard, and bottom of this, so this is at the bottom of the launch.storyboard, and here we need to add this. So another thing we need to change here, we just search here cell path. So many cell path is here, so we just search here with the run for. So we just search with run only for deployment. So many places we are using this. So we search these two lines at the same time. So these are also many places we are using. So now we just search here with the set so these two lines with the cell script. So this is the cell script. So this path is different. Set en, set en. So this path is also matching. So I think this is we are using here, but we also search here again. So this is not matching. This is not matching because we are using here set en. So this is not matching. Yeah, so this is matching. So we need to remove this cell script, and here we need to add this code. So for this we just copy this and just remove this script here and just add this. And another thing, we need to search here info plist file. So info plist file with iOS deployment target. So this is with iOS deployment target. So this is not with deployment target, this is not with deployment target. So this file is with iPhone deployment target. So we just need to change here 15.1. So we can change here deployment target. So this is at the two places with the info plist file. So both places we need to change. And we also need to change here info plist file. So here we can also add this line at the bottom of this, and again search. So here we can also add this line like this. Yeah, so all these changes is done now. So here we just search this line. So we can also search here LD. Yeah, so here is the iPhone deployment target. So we can also change this with 15.1. So now we need to check here this line. So at the two places we are using it in the LD, where we are using user lib and ship, we will edit. So here is the user lib and shift. So here we just search here d fully. We just copy this line and we just add here. And at the other places we are also using this, and we just search here and add this line. Yeah, so all these lines is now added. So now few other steps is also pending. So we go inside the app.delegate.mm file. So this file actually exists inside the iOS project. So we just need to app.delegate.mm file. So we just go here, and here we just need to change few lines, like here we are returning the return bundle URL. So this is the self.get.bundle URL. So we just remove the get from here and just bundle URL, and here we also call here bundle URL. Yeah, so now go inside the info plist. So this file is also exist inside the iOS folder. So we go inside the info plist, and here we just search here this string. So this is actually a device capability, and we just add here 64. Yeah, so now this line is also changed. And another thing we need to add in the iOS folder, privacy info.exe privacy. So this file we need to add. So we just copy this from here, and inside the iOS we just add here a new file, and name of this file is this privacy info.exe privacy, and here we just copy all the row contents and we just paste here and just save all the files. And the last step is the metro config.js. So this file is also, we just check this file is the metro config.js. So actually this is a commented line. You can change this or you cannot change this. So this is a optional line. So I just a path of the metro, so you can use this. So finally we have completed all the steps for upgradation. So now we will check. First of all, we go inside the package.json, and here you can check that your React Native and React version is upgraded. So we will run the application. So for this, our first step, that we will remove the node modules, and the next step we just remove the package log.json file. So we just remove it, and now just open the terminal, and here we just go inside the path of the project. So my project is inside the documents, yeah. So here is our project. So here we just run the npm install, and just wait.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so now all the packages is installed. So first we will run the application on the Android. So we just check adb devices. Yeah, so emulator is already attached. So if here your device is not showing, so you need to add the device first, then you can run your application on the Android device or emulator. So it will take few seconds. We just wait.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so finally application is running on the emulator. So now we are using the React and React Native updated version Now the application is running on the emulator. So now we will try to run the application on the iOS. So for the iOS we need to remove the pod log file. So I just remove the pod log file. You can also remove the pods if you are facing any issues. So we just need to delete all pods, but first I just remove the pod log. So for this we just need to go inside the iOS folder and run here pod install. Also remove the this terminal here. So pod is installed. So we just go inside the folder where our React Native project is exist. Yeah, so here is my project inside the coding Gyaan. So we just click on this and go inside the iOS folder, and here you need to click on the XC workspace. So the project will be open. So you need to run here. So it will take few seconds. We just wait for it. So you can run your application from the Xcode directly, or you can run here. You can go outside the iOS directory and run here the command for iOS, like run iOS, but not run the command because I am running the application already on the Xcode. But you can directly run your application from the command line.
A few moments later.
So we also need to run the command here. Yeah, so now the node is running, and now we just try to reload the application again.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so finally application is running on the iOS as well. So like this you can upgrade your application from any lower version to the upgraded version, and we can run our application in the iOS as well as in the Android. So if you face any problem in your upgradation, so please let me know in the comment section. So definitely I will help you in your upgradation. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.